Alright, so here I'm thinking we start around the sun and lay the performers out, maybe feet towards the sun, body away, or vice versa. You just want to create kind of the ray approach here. At the beginning of the tune, we are not going to do crazy stuff, but kind of a gentle thing, maybe some arms, maybe legs, just playing on the ray idea. They can be in unison, they can be in two groups. It needs to kind of pick up every 8 counts, be a little stronger here. Half the group stands up, they can kind of move around the circle one. They can even help these other people stand up so that by here, maybe everyone's standing. And then 1 count at a time, people move about, expand the space, flag solo right here. Solo dancer comes around, activating if you need to keep social distancing. You can kind of create more of a space here. These guys over here come to the sideline to pick up flags, so that here the full flag line is there, so they pick up flag there. Dancers leave every couple counts to get to this hold, pick up the rhythmic stuff here. The rifles can take over here, solo rifle here, and then second rifle here. 2 follow the leader ideas here. Flags can be very secondary. If you want to speed up these rifles coming forward to pick up guns, maybe there and then scoot back, they can. We move to rifle focus, secondary flag. A little doodly with the rifles there. Flags need to be a little stronger here as we move to the line. You can get to that set a little early if you want to have a little 4 count hold, and then we're moving back to the sun. You need to expand this, you obviously canvas a little bit, just rotating around and get Travis down here. So maybe here, a little solo toss action, and then we'll move on from here.